Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, select Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and select Transit Pass you would like to add. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. In the end, let's select Gift Card. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and select Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.